This feature is a multi-device icon generator that allows us to generate icons and splash screens for all screen resolutions at once, this including the Android's adaptive icon and all of it embedded within the IDE. And actually in this case, to showcase this feature, I will do a live demo. So let's jump straight into RAD Studio, where all we need to do is to create a blank application, for example. And from here, go into Project, Options, and on the left, choose the Icons tab and click on the Artwork Generator button. However, since I want to create icons for all platforms at once, what I will do first is I will press in this drop down, click on All Configurations, and now click Artwork Generator. What this will do is allow me to, from one single image or from one single source, create the icons for all the available platforms. As you can see, we have several options. We can use an image or use text. We can change the background layer. We can change the shape of the icon. However, to give better results, we highly recommend you to use SVGs, so that's what I will be doing in this demo. So I'll just press Image, go into my Downloads folder, and choose a previous SVG that I chose. Click OK, and from here I'll show you something. We can change the scale. Let me put it back at 100%. We can choose if the background is solid or an image. In this case, I'll go into solid. We can change the colors also, for example. From here, I think the sky blue looks nice. And we can decide if it will be a rectangle, if it will slightly rounded. I'll go with rounded. Click Next. Now I'll have to choose the options for the Android adaptive icon. It looks pretty similar. So in this case, I will just decide to go Next also. On splash screens, here we have the options to choose the splash screen for several themes, for the dark and white themes. Here is for the white theme, and I will just adjust the scale a little bit so the icon doesn't look too small on the screen. And for example, for the dark mode, instead of sky blue, I will go with the black background. Now pressing Next and Finish. And that will be it. Now, if you go into the drop down and select any of the platforms, you will see that all of the icons were generated for every single platform. Another cool thing that this feature can do is, let's say that, for example, for Windows 32-bit platform, you wanted something different. You can actually go here and change the icons just for this platform exactly the same way as we did before, and it will only affect this platform and not the others, which I think is pretty cool.